Chocolate for breakfast? This one almost sounds too good to be true. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian, and today I'll show you how to fuel up your morning and get you out the door fast with this simple, energy-boosting breakfast, tropical chocolate chia pudding. To begin, grab a medium bowl and pour in one 32-ounce bottle of plain unsweetened kefir. Add in a half cup of Full Circle Market organic chia seeds and a fourth cup of Hy-Vee honey. Then, stir together before setting the bowl aside. Kefir has 10 grams of protein per cup and more probiotics than yogurt. Next, divide 3 cups of Good Graces gluten-free dark chocolate and sea salt granola between 6 separate canning jars with lids. Grab 1 package of Hy-Vee Shortcuts kiwi and line the slices around the inside of the canning jars. Then, pour out the kefir chia mixture evenly between each jar. Next, it's time for the toppings. Evenly divide between each jar 1 chopped mango, 1/3 cup of toasted Full Circle Market organic coconut flakes, and shaved Zoot dark chocolate for garnish. Mangoes have over 20 different vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A and C. Cover the jars with lids and refrigerate for 6 hours or overnight. These can store in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Meal prepping is the secret to weight management. Without this, even the most dedicated, healthy eaters can fall off track. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. And for more tips to keep you and your family healthy, visit our new Hy-Vee Health page on Facebook or Instagram today.